There you go. So we go down Walking Street. Very famous. Walking Street. It's a bit humid tonight. Yeah, come in. So hopefully we got the Action 4 who Tad is gonna do some video. It's a bit cooler down here, that's alright. Hopefully camera won't overheat. That's first time it's done that for a long time. Oh, cannabis shop there. The old weed man. They've actually widened this road and repaved it as well. So it's really, really nice. Because it used to be a regular road. It used to be like a road. Only weed. Good stuff. So currently going down Walking Street. Hello. Very famous. There is a Walking Street in most towns like Phuket or Pattaya or Wright. Oh, let's see. Seafood. God, that is really bright. Can't get in there anyway, but there's a big step. Right, we're on the third time. Overheated. Overheated 3 times. Let's see if I can speed up a little bit. Opium. Roseland. Wow, it's like a candy shop. Wow. New Star Bar. Wow. Wow. Iron Club a go-go. I wonder where Windmill is.
Where is that?
Down one of the side streets, I think. There's a Sultan Turkish bar. Shark Go-Go. Oh, wow. Go-Go. Dancing. Naked. No clothes.
Yes, I know.
Show the hoy.
Yes, I know, darling. What?
Ah. Why are you late? She liked to look. What?
I have.
You have?
Yeah.
You want to look at somebody else's? Oh. Anyway, let's go a bit faster because we don't want to overheat again. Overheat. Big problem. I don't know why.
Why do my love?
Hello? Hello? Anyway, number 5. Palace. Candid, go, go. Oh my God. Blow. Blow Walking Street. Hopefully we'll get at least another few hundred feet. 79 a go. Wow. Fucking amazing. Wow. Keep going. Come on. You can do it. Wow. Makes just a good text. I don't know why it's overheating because it's been turned off for ages while we had our meal. That's very annoying. Tattoo. Huh? Wow. Smoky garden. Oh, they always do some BB gun. Cannabis. Some more bars over there behind. Goes on a little way. Whoa. There is a nice breeze. Hopefully we'll get the camera cool again. Doesn't normally shut down like that.
They were like 5.
No. Oh yeah, it's a bit cooler now. Wow. Live music. Let's get the one with air conditioning. Wow, nearly there, nearly at the bottom of there, Walking Street. I reckon it will overheat again one more time. Club Panda. And, well, that was nice breeze. Don't know what that was. See where she is? I think I lost them. No, there they are.
Huh?
You right? You stop the camera?
Yes, finish.
Why?
Long time.
No, not long.
Long.
Not long.
10 minutes.
Oh. Not there yet. Walking Street.
So walking is the middle. Cool.
Hopefully we will make it. I have to say there is a lot of people from India. Premium cannabis on sale. I think I should try it, really. It's nice. You reckon? I should try a smoke. Because you got McDonald's. So far, so good. Oh, it's a Taco Bell. Never done one of those. Russo Toristo. I wonder where our friend Paul is. Go hopping. If he is hopping mad. Shout out to Go. Here we are. Nashar Club. Nashar Club. Yeah.
How are you, bro?
Okay. Nashar. Tokyo Bar. Oh, must be at the end of it by now. Getting quieter. I think we're done. And we have to go back the other way then. Ah. What's up? That was fun, wasn't it? Exciting?
Tell you what, it's at least 5 years since I last came up here.
Yeah. It's,
A lot of crap.
it's totally different, isn't it?
We call it Weed Street, Walking Street.
Yeah. Yeah, I noticed that.
Go back down that way.
Yeah. I think we've hit the limit. Limit. Yeah. Weed Street. Weed Street. That's very good. You can thank Mr. Harvey for that. Well, put it this way, we've done it. You can say that you've done it now.
And I certainly won't be doing it again.
But yeah, to be honest with you, right, they have done the street. It's nice.
Yeah, but
You remember?
Decimated the character of it.
Yeah, but you remember when it was a road
Yeah.
and pavements and things
Yeah,
like
it's a lot better underfoot.
that. Yeah,
But not a lot better.
we go that way now.
in the
Yeah,
eye.
we finished.
Can you walk?
Yeah, me.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you walk, we get on the...
Yeah, and you know what? Not you.